So we left off last video getting the engine in. Now the engine's back out. So the only reason I took it out is because I needed to get this exhaust bolt out right here. It's broken, can't get it out. Tried welding, that's not working. I think I might just leave it for now or just get a new head. It's only an 862 head. They're cheap, it's like 50 bucks. Also cut these off so I can just run the stock manifolds for now. So I can like mock something up. I also got the wiring harness all labeled, situated, and pretty much whatever I didn't need I took out. Then I have a whole mess of parts here, guys. I got brakes, I got the throttle, I got the new bearings, hardware. I got this, apparently it's rebuilt, TH400 with a, I think this is a 2800 saw or a 3500 saw. I need to make sure. I got new bolts for it. Spark plugs, wires, rotors, pads, all the brackets all cleaned up, ready to go. They're gonna be cool too. They're the Cobra ones, so I'm gonna look cool. And then I think next video I want to do the 8/8 swap, so that'll be kind of fun. It is hot as hell in this garage. I need to get a fan. It's like 83 degrees, and tomorrow it's supposed to be like 35 or something. Like, that's crazy. So in today's video, I'm going to get this whole engine dressed up, and then I think I might try to even bolt up the TH400 and get that all situated and get these the flex holes for the bolts to bolt in. So that is what we're going to be doing. First off, spark plugs and wires. I was about to put the exhaust manifolds on and I forgot I had the gasket, so I just went ahead and mocked these up. I'm gonna have to take these back off and put them back on anyways, but I wanted to see what they look like. They don't look bad, not gonna lie. I wish they were shorter. I might try to cut it and make it shorter because that's ugly, but I get it, exhaust. But right now I'm going to be trying to put that transmission on. I think I need to unbolt the flex plate, check out the holes, and then put that adapter ring. I'll show you right now what that is. So this adapter ring goes inside here, just like that, and then this side should go inside your torque converter, giving it that extra space that's needed for the torque converter to sit in there. I think that's how that is. I need to clean that out, but that goes there. Torque converter goes on, obviously. So what I want to do is take these bolts out if I can. Hopefully I brought my Milwaukee home. Yep, that time of season where thunderstorms are a thing. Man, I really need more friends, because trying to pick this goddamn TH400 up and trying to bolt it up there is a nightmare. I've been doing it for like the last hour. My back hurts. We haven't even gotten close to all these damn parts yet. I'm just trying to, I can put that on. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the adapter right there. It's in there. I just need to just muscle it up and shove it on in there. So I was having major issues with the torque converter I was trying to put on yesterday. You guys saw the clip. I kind of slid it on, but it only went on twice, and it wouldn't go in deep enough. Well, that was at like 3 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock, I finally gave up, and we put the stock one in, and it goes in so much farther now. I'll just run the stock for now, just so the car can move. But now I think I'll jack up the motor and then slide this forward, putting, mating, doing all the cool stuff. I need to take this back off actually and then fill it up so I know it's good. Then we can just put it back in the car, pull it out. It is literally like 36 now. Yesterday was like 79. Like, god dang, man. But let's go ahead, stop jibber jabbering, made this old girl together. All right, guys, another day here. I just quit after I couldn't do anymore. So I went out and got some exhaust manifold gaskets, brand new alternator, a new light, I didn't have one, and some drill bits, because I am getting those dang freaking exhaust manifold bolts. And then I finally got it the correct 1/8 of an inch gap so it can move back and forth. Then I got this whole thing bolted up. Now what I want to do is get the exhaust gasket put on, but first I want to try to drill these out just a tad and try to get that out, because I really want that out. And then I think I'm gonna jack it, or take it up and put it back in, and then get that thing bolted in, and then get the wiring, because I really want to try to get it started before I do anything else, because I just have to do all the pink wires, get those all 12 volts, and then that should be it. And then the two orange, yeah, these two little oranges need to go to power as well, and then I can technically start it, because that's all you need. I just need to spray like starter fluid in there, call it a day. I got the spark plug wires back in. I couldn't get the last two out, both back sides, so if it leaks, you obviously know where it's gonna leak. But I can always just take it to a machine shop, or just go get two new 862 heads, or some better heads. I don't know yet, guys. But right now, I'm gonna jack it, or I'm gonna lift it up and try to put it back in here as easily as I can. God. All right, it's in again. It's a little crooked because the transmission is kind of pulling it backwards. But I can just put the cross member on, or the transmission cross member. I hope I can still work that one. Just like fab it up where it still grabs the TH400 and picks it up. I need to hear this thing run before I do anything else. Shut up. I really want to hear it run before I do anything else, so okay, here we go again. This dang bolt right here, the last two bolts won't come out on both sides. I thought lowering it would like break it free after I get the nut off, but no. But plus what sucks is I don't have a friggin' hammer here, so I can't hit it out. I've been hitting it, but this thing don't work, so this little arrow out, so I've been hitting it. And I'm trying to put that 8/8 in there over there, because besides that, I want to put that cross member up here. You guys can probably tell that the transmission is sitting a little low. I think you can see it. So I want to make a cross member bracket out of that, or try to. I don't want to spend the $200 to get one, because this is a budget build, and I just bought a dang HP tuner, so that was $422, so I can delete the vats and then tune this thing myself. But other than that, look at that. I was really worried about the clearance I'm gonna have over here for the power steering, but I think if I get a different one that I can route it just that way, I'll cut this off, I'll route it this way right here. So I'll try to bend these out of the way and make it work, but if not, just take the power steering off. It's no biggie. And then I gotta get the clutch fan off, but it's coming along, guys. All right, so the 8.8 is currently in. I think it's got 327 gears. These shocks from the Fox do not fit in there, so I might just cut those and modify them. I really don't want to get new ones because I want the best weight transfer I can get. But other than that, got the front brakes on. Look how pretty. Got new hubs, rotors, brakes. I got the guys on there. I think I need to cut that out just a tad. But I did install the 8.8. Everything bolted up. I just need to get the brake line fittings to actually properly work. And then that cross member I had, the stock one, and with that transmission mount that came on it, it bolted right up. Then I started doing this right here, this old bad girl. Intake's on. I have 6 quarts in here. I just plugged this side for the injector to the coil pack. I need to bolt on the throttle body. But this side, injectors, coil packs, all of that plugged in. Now I just need to run this, the drive-by wire, the fuse, then run this stuff on the bottom. She's ready to start. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.